So welcome to the Hortic unit. We've got some of our students are just clearing up after their session here, so quite nice to just see where they're heading. We've got a very large area of planting, we've got plenty of tools, and this is basically set aside for horticultural students. And then in the background there we've also got the glass houses. Beginning of the year, it's all about clearing up, tidying up, getting everything, all the planting areas ready for the season ahead. And then over the winter, it's all about looking after the tools and doing the maintenance side as well. So come this way and we'll go and have a look at some of the areas that are on the Hortic unit. Come this way. So we've got a large area of shrub and tree planting. We do have the arboretum, but also this area is mainly of shrubs. So there's a lot of pruning going on in here. And we see this beautiful tree at the moment. We might be raising up the tree, so part of your course might be actually the pruning of these trees and tending to the shrubs. As I say, we've had a bit of lockdown at the moment, so we are still battling with a few weeds, but that's all part of the process. So come on through. Lovely day today. Wind in the trees. I've got a little slightly overgrown pond here. We do have a few fish in here, and again one of the modules might be looking at decorative features. How would we fix the pond? How do we make it sure it's all waterproof? And also just check out the goldfish as well, make sure the herons don't come underneath them. This is our pruning area for both part-time and full-time. We have adults and school leavers as well, so everybody can get in to help maintain the areas. Okay? Come on through here. So we're, where are we? September at the moment. Everything is slowly dying back. You'll be understanding all the different needs of all the different plants. So here we have actually a perennial garden. So it's not so much shrubs. We do have one tree, but these are all the plants that will die back at the end of the season. And understanding what their needs are and how they're going to grow in the early season is all about what's going to happen on your course. We can see the guys are taking up some of the waste material to the compost area. Very, very important now to keep things very sustainable. We like to be environmentally aware, and a lot of the time we're trying to recycle material as well as make sure we use sustainable practices. So welcome to our wildlife area. Again, another aspect of your horticultural course will be encouraging wildlife into the garden, maybe understanding how water works in the garden. We've got a fantastic bug hotel there, small pond here. We've even brought in some leaf collecting areas. So it's all about making the whole plot work for you as a student and enjoying beautiful weather like this, but also just understanding how the ecosystems and all the different plants work together. So another thing you might be doing on your course, is maybe hard landscaping. So we have a rockery area here. This was actually developed last year by our level 3 students, actually in their first year, but actually it's quite an effective area for getting gravel plants in and looking at alpine plants, for example. So we have a range of glass houses. You'll be learning about, again, as I say, the requirements of plants ranging from the tropical end to a temperate end. So this glass house is not heated except by the glass itself. And so you'll be doing a lot of propagation, producing new plants from seeds, but also actually dividing up plants we've already got. So this is our Cambridge one glass house. We've got Cambridge 2. And then we've got what we call the bubble wrap building at the end there. It's a teaching resource there as well. So plenty of indoor and outdoor spaces to work in. And also the only time we're not outdoors is if it's lightning. And the only time we're not in this building is if it's got very, very big hailstorms. But otherwise, we're tough horticulturalists. We'll get out as much as we can. We'll get you out as well.